Hello my friends, so today I'm going to show you how I gather information to write my article. So before that I have to, this is my keyword, my main keyword, so I copy it and I need to create this article with on-page SEO. So to do that I have to I use SEO Yoast, so Yoast SEO. So first of all I add my keyword to this text field, so it will indicate this is my main keyword. So also there is lot of red and green points. I will explain them later, maybe next video. So only for today you have to add your focus keyword here. And if you didn't watch my Yoast SEO video or keywords research video, I will put link on description so you can check them too. So first of all, our title is not good, so I will change my article title. So N should be capital, was okay, and B should be capital. Namecheap was Bluehost, so this is not eye-catching. I have to add eye-catching title. To do that, I will add separator. And what is the better in 2020? Okay, I think this is eye-catching title than Namecheap was Bluehost. So we build our title and now we need to find information to our article. So I must say I didn't practice this before, like I didn't do rehearsal or practice before do this video, so there will be delays and there may have some issues, so be aware about that and be patient. Also I am not going to edit my video, so yeah, I am not edit my video because you know why. So I go to Google and add my keyword. So when I add keyword I got result like this one. So I open first, let's open 5 results. Okay, now we have 5 results. So I have my own structure to write article, but I need to get information. So I will refer those websites and I will find information to my website. Okay, there's nothing on text, so they have comparison, so I can get really great information here and I can add them to my own website. Okay, nice. Now we have another one. This is great. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so just refer the article like this. After that I found this one is better. So first one is introduction. So as introduction, introduction may be on mine. I mean, I will think the introduction and I will write it down. So I will add space to that. Then I need Namecheap was Bluehost. So after that I want to write information about Namecheap. So I copy the Namecheap part and don't copy their content and paste on your website. So if you do it, you will get copyrighted issues and Google will never allow to AdSense or any kind of stuff. Also your article will not be ranked on Google. So don't copy and paste this content to your website. Just get an idea and write it on your your word or your on your word. So after that I will talk about main difference. And okay, Namecheap is easy of use, Bluehost beginner friendly. Okay, after that I'm not going to add no, let's add pricing too. So I will add pricing. When you create a title on your blog section, I am not mean a title section, I mean on content header. So use H2, heading 2. Okay, pricing comparison. Comparison. Okay, pricing comparison. Nice. After that, Bluehost Namecheap, that is pricing comparison. Okay, great. Is Bluehost better than Namecheap? Namecheap was Bluehost in terms of SEO. So additional hosting plan, WordPress hosting. This article has lot of information, but I am not going to write long article like this. Sorry about that. But I will point all of my key points on my article, and I will limit it to like 1500 words. So okay, now I leave this website. Okay, thank you for information. Bluehost was Namecheap, which is better hosting for your need in 2020. Okay, nice title. I will use something like this, and this format I will use this format. Yeah, user experience. Main difference. Okay, let's go to this one. There has a lot of information. So great, starting price. So there's price in details, and what is that? Bluehost is the winner. I don't know about that. Okay, now my main I have four main what we call headers, 4 main headers. So in those headers I have subheadings. So in Namecheap, let's see what we can add subheadings to my Namecheap. There is no need to subheading for Namecheap and Bluehost heading, but I need subheading for main difference. Main difference is, first one is pricing, and second one is, what are the main difference? This writer talk about a lot of user experience and support, pricing. Okay, not much to get in here. Let's add pricing features, then I have pricing comparison, so to do it main difference I can't add pricing. Okay, I will pause the video and I will brainstorm and see you in second. Okay guys, finally I build my article structure. So first of all I will do some introduction. So after that I will write about Namecheap, then I will write about Bluehost. After that I will add there has title called main comparison, and I will compare these Bluehost and Namecheap side by side, or one after another. So after that I have price comparison. In main comparison I compare about features, free stuff, performance, customer support and user experience. And there is conclusion. In this conclusion I am going to talk about which one is better. So for me these both services are better and both services are great, but someone tell Bluehost is great because their commission is better than Namecheap. I think that is they call Bluehost is best than Namecheap, but according to me both are better. By the way, this is how I gather information. Also those are subheadings. It means I have H2 tag called main comparison, and this features will be H3, free stuff will be H3 because it's under the main comparison. So that is how I add my article structure. So always do this kind work because it will good for your article and user will easily understand your article. So yeah, this is how I gather information. Also I will get idea from them, and I will do my research about both Namecheap and Bluehost, because I use both these Namecheap and Bluehost accounts. So I will gather the information and I will write good and useful article. So that must be your target. So if you get idea from him and copy this part, then after that paste it, and you may change the letters, but yeah, you may get some money, and you may get something like commission or something like that, and Google will approve your content. But it's not good for person, because this is his idea, and he built his idea with his own thoughts. So just don't copy other people's content. Copy and make better than make something better than their article. So that is how it should work. So okay, this is today video. I will see you in next time. Bye.